Namaskar, myself, Dr. Kamla Nagar, Professor and Head, Department of Dravaguna, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to share my lecture on Kapas or cotton or Gossypium herbaceum. Content of the lecture are general introduction in which we will study Latin name and family, morphology, properties, useful part and doses and Ayurvedic preparations. This is kapas or cotton flower. Kapas or cotton plant called as karpas in Sanskrit is used in Ayurvedic treatment. Cotton seeds are an excellent aphrodisiac and nervine tonic. Its root bark decoction is used in amenorrhea. Botanical name is Gossypium herbaceum. Family is Malvaceae. Hindi name is Kapasi or Kapas. English name is cotton plant or Levant cotton. Classical categorization in Charak Samhita, it is mentioned in Brahmaniya work. In Sushruta Samhita, mentioned in Vat Sanchman. In Bhav Prakash Nighantu, mentioned in Guruchadi work. And is Raj Nighantu, it is mentioned in Shatahavadi work. Ayurvedic properties of kapas is root bark is in gun it is laghu, tikshna, seeds are snigdha, ras is kashai, vipak is katu, virya is ushna, effect on dosh is vatpitta shamak. Gun is snigdha, ras is katu, vipak is madhur, virya is sheath, effect on dosh is kafakar, increases kapha dosh, prabhav, seeds are vrashya or aphrodisiac, parts to be used is root, flower or seed. Dosage of decoction is 50 to 100 ml and seed powder is 3 to 6 grams. Therapeutic indication of kapas is it is used in shram or tiredness or fatigue, in bhranti or dizziness or insanity, in murcha or fainting, loss of consciousness, or irritable karini, or it is used as cardiotonic. In external application, seed paste is applied externally to treat inflammation, pain, poisonous bite, wounds, and ulcers. Oil prepared with seed is used in treating headache. Root and root bark's therapeutic indication are it is used in Karnapida or earache, used in nath or tinnitus, used in puyastrav or wounds with pus, used in trishna or excessive thirst, also used in daha or burning sensation, as in gastritis, neuropathy, burning sensation in eyes, etc. Root bark contract uterus and its decoction in a dose of 30 to 50 ml in divided dose per day is used in treating amenorrhea. Medicines and side effects. Ayurvedic medicines are Karpasyadi telam, used in paralysis, facial palsy, spondylitis, and other neuromuscular conditions. Makardhwas, used in anti-aging and aphrodisiac treatment. Gorochanadi Gulika, used in treatment of fever, pneumonia, cough, cold, etc. Carapanthelum is used in skin disorder. Side effect of root bark is root bark decoction is contraindicated during pregnancy because it can contract uterus and cause for abortion. Thanks everyone to share your time with me. If you find any difficulty to understand the topic, please comment in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thanks once again.